So students, today we will learn how to prepare hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas preparation is meant for class 9th, class 10th and class 11th. So we will learn some different method to prepare hydrogen gas. So we start. First method, by using cold water. As you know, there are alkali metals like sodium, potassium, lithium. When they react with cold water, they form hydroxide and hydrogen gas. This is the general reaction to form hydrogen gas. You can balance it also. Here you will 2 and here 2. So like this way you can form the hydrogen gas. Here what happen, one sodium always provide electron to H plus and it form nascent hydrogen, and two nascent hydrogen form hydrogen gas. This happen during this reaction. One another way we can write this reaction. So see in different steps. So steps, in what steps this reaction happen. First, sodium react with water molecule and it form sodium oxide and hydrogen gas, and further sodium oxide react with another water molecule and it form sodium hydroxide. Here you can balance it. Here sodium oxide both side cancelled and final reaction is 2Na, these two H2O, 2 H2O and NaOH plus hydrogen gas. Like same way you can use potassium with water, it also form KOH, potassium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Okay, so this is the one simple method to form hydrogen gas using cold water and alkali metals. Now we will learn second method. Second method is, now we will learn second method to prepare hydrogen gas. See, hydrogen gas can be prepared by hot water. See, some transition element like zinc, iron and cobalt, tin, etc. When these elements react with hot water, means hot water, they form oxide and hydrogen gas. In same way, when Fe react with hot water, it also form Fe3O4 iron oxide and hydrogen gas. Okay, so these are two methods to form hydrogen gas. One is by using cold water and another is by using hot water. There is the difference in metals, which metal react with the cold water and which metal react with hot water. Now we will learn third method to prepare hydrogen gas. See, third method is by using ionic hydride, or you can say metal hydride. See, metal hydride like sodium hydride, when it reacts with water, here minus, here plus, here minus, here plus, so this combine and form NaOH. This is the sodium hydroxide. Okay, and this pass its electron to this one and form hydrogen gas. So like same way we can select another metal, lithium. It also lithium hydride, it also react with water and from lithium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Now fourth method, this is very useful and most important method to form hydrogen by using acid. How the hydrogen gas is prepared using acids. So I can write acids in appropriate way. See, for example, when we take acid HCl, okay, here what happened? Actually here hydrogen, or you can write 1 minute, you can write metal above hydrogen in electrochemical series can displace hydrogen from acid. Okay, so here you can write, suppose magnesium. Okay, magnesium react with HCl, it form MgCl2 plus hydrogen gas. Gas is always denoted by arrow upside. So here magnesium displace the hydrogen and it form one salt. This is the salt magnesium chloride. Okay, and hydrogen gas is evolved. You can take another example, zinc plus H2SO4. here zinc sulfate is formed and hydrogen gas is evolved. So these are the few methods by which we can prepare hydrogen gas very easily, and these methods mostly used in different reactions and different syllabus of class 9th, class 10th and class 11th. Okay, to watch this video, thank you.